All right, next up I have Raphael is going to do a personal box of 2018 Topps Finest Baseball. Let's find that Ohtani. Find that Ohtani. Here we go. Mazzara. First autograph is Sandy Alcantara. Redbirds. Sitting red, Josh Donaldson. Francisco rookie. Freddie Freeman Cornerstones. Andujar rookie, Yankees. Green parallel, Joey Gallo. 10.99. And base. Second mini box. Same red, Chris Davis, Crawford, and Hoskins rookies. And then we got a White Sox, Lucas Giolito to 99, green refractor autograph. Verdugo. Brandon Woodruff, number to 250, purple. And final pack. Finish up the second mini box. Verdugo, Cornerstone, Syndergaard. And we got a bonus autograph here. Very nice. Finest Hour Signatures, Victor Robles. Nationals. Sweet hit right there. And that will round out the box. All right, Raphael, appreciate it. Looks like we're going to be doing the last one here momentarily. And get it all packed up, and both of these will ship out together. Nice hit on the Robles.